Hello dear students, my name is Lucky Ahuja and I am your EVS teacher for class 5th. So today we are starting chapter 2 of class 5th and the chapter is named as Migration of Families. So in this chapter we will talk about migration of some families, why they migrated from one place to other place. So the first part includes Santu's story. So today we are learning about story of Santu. So let's start. So there are many families which migrate from one place to another. There are many families which migrate from one place to another. One such family is Santu's family. So one such family is Santu's family. So as I told you, here we are going to learn about Santu's story. So Santu's family lived in a village and their main occupation was agriculture. So Santu's family was having the work of agriculture. So their main occupation was agriculture. But his family had to face a big trouble due to a drought. So there was a drought in their village and Santu's family had to face a big trouble. That situation was very drastic and due to drought there was no rain and Santu's family had to face many problems as they were dependent on agriculture. Drought in their village. For the last 2 years they did not even have sufficient food to eat. So due to drought there were no rains and due to lack of rains there was no food even to eat. So Santu's family was having lot of problems. They were not able to survive easily due to lack of food, grains and other things. तो बच्चों यहाँ हम संतु की फैमिली यानी उसके परिवार के बारे में कहानी पढ़ रहे हैं. तो संतु का जो परिवार था वो एक गांव में रहता था और वहाँ पर वो लोग खेती किया करते थे. उनका मुख्य कार्य खेती का था और एक वर्ष जब गांव में बहुत बड़ा अकाल पड़ गया था यानी बिल्कुल बारिश नहीं हुई थी तो खेतों में कुछ भी नहीं उग पाया और इस कारण संतु का परिवार बहुत ही समस्याओं का सामना कर रहा था. सो दिस ऑल वी टॉक्ड अबाउट संतु's family. Then what did they do when they were facing lot of problems? They were not having any food to eat. Let's see. That is why Santu migrated to his nephew's village with his family and cattle. So Santu then decided to migrate to another village which was the village of his nephew and he took along his family and the cattle. There he arranged for a small accommodation on rent and started searching for some occupation. So when Santu migrated to other village, there he just took a place on rent. He started living there and then he started searching for occupation. As he was not having any occupation at the new place, he has to search for it. After a few days he got work there and therefore he started living in that village with his family. So after searching for a new occupation, searching for a new work, finally he found a work and he started working in the new village and just they started living in that new village. So that was Santu's story, that he got migrated from his own village to another village. He searched for work in that new village, he searched for a residence in the new village and then he started living in the new village. However, it was not at all easy for him to live there. Soon he started missing his own village. So although he found a new work, he found a new place to live, he was not comfortable living at the new place. So he was just missing his own village. He started missing the place he was living for so many years, and then he got news that there was a very good rain in his village this year. So next year Santu got a good news. So he came to know that there was a good rain in his village this year. Therefore, he took his family and cattle with him and returned to his own village. Finally, after getting this good news that there was good rain in his village this year, he decided to go back to his own village. So he took his family and cattle back with him and he returned to his own village. So finally Santu again went back to his own village. तो बच्चों, यहाँ संतु की स्टोरी में आपने देखा कि संतु जो दूसरे गांव आ गया था वो वहाँ रहने तो लगा, लेकिन उसे अपने गांव की बहुत याद आती थी. आपको भी आती होगी. जब भी आपको थोड़े दिन किसी दूसरी जगह जाना पड़ता है किसी कारण से, आप लोग को भी लगता होगा कि मैं जल्दी अपने घर चले जाऊं. सो that was the case with Santu. He was missing his own village and finally जब उसको पता चला कि उसके गांव में इस साल बहुत अच्छी बारिश हुई है, तो उसने ये डिसाइड किया, उसने ये निर्णय लिया कि मुझे वापस अपने गांव ही जाना चाहिए. So this was the story of Santu. Here we have seen that initially due to some problems Santu migrated to a new village which was the village of his nephew, but finally when he came to know that now the situation, the condition in his village is good, it is normal, it is having good rains, then finally he decided to go back to his own village. So this is all about Santu's story, and we will continue chapter 5 in our next part, and we will share one more story. Let's see what story we will be sharing in our next part. So thank you for watching the video.